Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts love 2025 smartphones? Let's find out. First up, AI-powered features. Get ready for voice assistants that talk like your best friend. These assistants are not just about setting reminders or sending texts anymore. They understand context, emotions, and can even engage in meaningful conversations. Imagine having a virtual companion who knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and offers personalized suggestions. Thanks to large language models like Apple Intelligence and Google's Gemini, these assistants are becoming more intuitive and human-like. They can help you draft emails, plan your day, and even provide mental health support by recognizing your mood through your voice and text patterns. Our phones are getting way smarter. But that's not all. AI is also boosting our user experience. Imagine your phone predicting what you need before you even know it. From suggesting the best route to avoid traffic to recommending a new restaurant based on your taste, AI is making our lives more convenient and enjoyable. Better battery life, smarter storage, and jaw-dropping camera shots. Yep, AI's got your back. Worried about security? No problem. AI-enhanced theft detection locks your phone when it moves away too fast. Plus, improved biometrics and on-device AI keep your data safe and sound. Your phone can now recognize unusual activity and alert you instantly, providing an extra layer of security. Missing the good old days of simple phones? Enter dumb phones. These minimalist devices cut distractions and amp up security. They focus on essential functions like calling and texting, helping you stay connected without the constant barrage of notifications. Craving more screen space? Multi-screen displays are here. Huawei's tri-screen model is just the start. These innovative designs offer more real estate for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption, making your smartphone experience more immersive and productive. Expect more affordable options soon. And let's talk sustainability. Apple and Samsung are going green with recycled materials and modular designs. This means you can upgrade parts of your phone without having to buy a new one, reducing electronic waste. Apple promises 100% recycled cobalt in their batteries by the end of this year. This is a significant step towards reducing the environmental impact of smartphone production. Speaking of batteries, solid-state tech is revolutionizing the game. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to faster charging and longer lifespans. Solid-state batteries are not only safer but also more efficient, ensuring that your phone lasts longer on a single charge and charges up in a fraction of the time. Finally, satellite networks. Companies like Starlink aim to provide global coverage, keeping you connected no matter where you are. Whether you're in a remote village or hiking in the mountains, you can stay in touch with the world. 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer in smartphone tech. With advancements in AI, sustainability, security, and connectivity, our smartphones are becoming more than just devices. They're becoming indispensable companions in our daily lives. Stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.